The transformative power of intermittent fasting, in-depth benefits, myths, and practical tips. Welcome to VitaFusion Secrets. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you as we explore the fascinating and complex world of intermittent fasting. This practice has gained significant attention in the health and wellness community, and for good reason. Intermittent fasting is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that offers a wide range of potential benefits for your health and well-being. In this extensive guide, we will delve into what intermittent fasting truly is, the science that underpins it, and how it can be adapted to suit your unique lifestyle. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to implement intermittent fasting effectively and sustainably. Understanding intermittent fasting. At its core, intermittent fasting is not a diet but rather an eating pattern. It cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that primarily focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting is all about when you eat. This simple but powerful shift in focus has profound implications for your metabolism, hormone levels, and overall health. The most commonly practiced intermittent fasting methods include the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window each day. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. until 12 p.m. the next day. The 5-2 diet. On this plan, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and then restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Eat Stop Eat. This method involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For instance, if you finish dinner at 7 p.m., you wouldn't eat again until 7 p.m. the next day. Each of these approaches has its own unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your individual needs and preferences. The flexibility of intermittent fasting is one of the key reasons it has become so popular in recent years. Whether you're an early riser, a night owl, or someone with a busy schedule, there's likely an intermittent fasting plan that can work for you. The science behind intermittent fasting. So, what's happening in your body when you fast, and why is it so beneficial? The science behind intermittent fasting is both fascinating and compelling, involving several important physiological processes that can significantly impact your health. When you eat, your body is in a fed state, focused on digesting and storing the nutrients you've consumed. During this time, your insulin levels rise, promoting the storage of glucose sugar as glycogen in your liver and muscles. Once your glycogen stores are full, any excess glucose is stored as fat. However, when you enter a fasted state, typically about 12 hours after your last meal, your body begins to shift gears. It starts to access its fat stores for energy, a process that can lead to numerous health benefits. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting enhances your body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting, your cells initiate autophagy, a process of cleaning out damaged proteins and organelles. This cellular housekeeping helps protect against a variety of diseases, including neurodegenerative disorders and cancer. Increased human growth hormone (HGH). Fasting significantly boosts levels of human growth hormone, which plays a vital role in fat burning, muscle growth, and overall health. Higher HGH levels are associated with increased fat loss and muscle preservation. Favorable gene expression. Intermittent fasting influences the expression of genes related to longevity and protection against chronic diseases. This may help delay aging and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. The potential benefits of intermittent fasting. Armed with an understanding of the science behind intermittent fasting, let's explore some of the specific benefits it can offer. Weight loss and fat loss. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and body fat. By reducing your eating window, you're likely to consume fewer calories overall. Additionally, fasting can increase your metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14%, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Improved brain function. Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth of new nerve cells and may protect against Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many serious health conditions, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to lower markers of inflammation, potentially reducing your risk of these conditions. Cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting may improve several risk factors for heart disease, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and inflammatory markers. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer and enhance the effectiveness of cancer treatments. Fasting may improve the body's ability to repair damaged cells and inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. Anti-aging effects. Animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan. While the long-term effects on human longevity are still being investigated, the cellular and metabolic changes associated with fasting are promising for delaying the aging process. Simplicity and flexibility. Unlike many diets that require strict meal planning and calorie counting, intermittent fasting is relatively straightforward. You don't need to change what you eat, just when you eat. This simplicity makes it easier to stick with long-term. Getting started with intermittent fasting. If you're excited about the potential benefits of intermittent fasting, you might be wondering how to get started. Here are some practical tips to help you begin your journey. Start slowly. If you're new to fasting, begin with a shorter fasting window, such as 12 hours. Gradually increase the duration as your body adapts to the new eating pattern. Stay hydrated. It's crucial to drink plenty of water during your fasting periods to stay hydrated. Non-caloric beverages like black coffee, herbal tea, and sparkling water are also great options. Break your fast wisely. When it's time to eat, start with a balanced meal that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid breaking your fast with processed or sugary foods, as they can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during fasting periods. If you experience dizziness, weakness, or other concerning symptoms, don't hesitate to break your fast. It's important to approach fasting with flexibility and self-compassion. Maintain a balanced diet. During your eating windows, focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense, whole foods. Intermittent fasting is not a free pass to indulge in unhealthy foods. Be consistent. Consistency is key to success with intermittent fasting. Try to maintain a regular fasting schedule, as this helps your body adapt and makes the process easier over time. Exercise wisely. You can continue to exercise while fasting, but you may need to adjust the timing or intensity of your workouts. Some people prefer to work out towards the end of their fasting period, while others feel better exercising during their eating window. Potential side effects and precautions. While intermittent fasting can be highly beneficial for many people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and take appropriate precautions. Hunger and irritability. Especially when first starting, you may experience increased hunger and irritability during fasting periods. This usually subsides as your body adjusts. Fatigue or low energy. Some individuals may feel tired or low in energy during fasting phases, particularly if they're not consuming enough calories during their eating windows. Headaches, dehydration, or electrolyte imbalances can sometimes lead to headaches. Ensure you're drinking enough water and consider replenishing electrolytes if necessary. Digestive issues, constipation, or other digestive problems may arise for some people, especially if they're not consuming enough fiber or fluids. These side effects often subside as your body adapts to the new eating pattern. However, if they persist or worsen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. Note: intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone. You should avoid this approach if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have a history of eating disorders, are underweight or have a history of malnutrition, or have certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or low blood pressure. Always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. especially if you have any underlying health concerns. Debunking common myths about intermittent fasting. As with any popular health trend, several misconceptions surround intermittent fasting. Let's take a moment to address and dispel some of the most common myths. Myth: intermittent fasting slows down your metabolism. Truth: short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolism by 3.6 to 14%. Prolonged fasting several days can slow down metabolism, but intermittent fasting has been shown to have the opposite effect. Myth: intermittent fasting causes muscle loss. Truth: when done correctly and combined with resistance training, intermittent fasting can help preserve muscle mass while promoting fat loss. It's crucial to consume adequate protein during your eating windows to support muscle maintenance. Myth: intermittent fasting is only about weight loss. Truth: while weight loss is a common benefit, intermittent fasting offers a wide range of health benefits beyond shedding pounds, including improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, enhanced brain function, and more. Myth: you can eat whatever you want during your eating window. Truth: although intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, it's still essential to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Overindulging in unhealthy foods during your eating windows can counteract the benefits of fasting. Conclusion: is intermittent fasting right for you? Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve various health goals, from weight loss to improved mental clarity and overall well-being. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The best approach is one that fits your lifestyle, supports your health, and is sustainable in the long term. If you decide to give intermittent fasting a try, remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and focus on nourishing yourself during your eating windows. With the right mindset and approach, intermittent fasting can be a transformative addition to your health and wellness routine. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into intermittent fasting. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to VitaFusion Secrets for more valuable insights and tips on health and wellness. We're here to help you unlock your full potential, one healthy habit at a time.